If your GMC Canyon Apple CarPlay keeps dropping or won't connect, you are not alone. Data shows that a faulty or damaged lightning cable is the culprit in over 70% of connection issues. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system back on track. Start by ruling out physical hardware issues before digging into the truck software settings. Sometimes the truck's own operating system needs a refresh to properly recognize your device. If the basics fail, try a system reset or check if your dealer has a pending firmware update. Most issues are solved at home, but internal port damage requires professional service. Hardware replacement costs vary significantly, with head unit replacements being the most expensive scenario. If you have a digital multimeter, test the USB port voltage to ensure it is providing consistent power. Keep these simple tools on hand to troubleshoot your infotainment connectivity issues effectively. Remember that persistence usually pays off, as most of these glitches are just temporary software conflicts. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook, and let us know in the comments if this fixed your connection.